You're an asshole. Dude.
Hey, what is going on, guys? Donovan here. In today's video, I want to talk about possibly the most annoying / embarrassing thing about my Charger RT. Before I get into it though, I want to thank you guys for 500 subscribers. It's been super fun to watch this channel grow. I've gotten tremendous support from you guys, and I just want you to know that I really appreciate it. I'm gonna make an entirely separate video, but I just wanted to say thank you really quickly. So if you guys weren't aware, Charger RTs have what is called an open differential. If you guys have ever noticed, when people do burnouts in our regular RTs, or if they try to do donuts, a lot of times only one tire spins. Now the reason for this is because the RTs don't get what's called limited slip differentials like the Scat packs and Hellcats do. The difference between an open diff and an LSD is that open diffs send an equal amount of power to each tire, whereas limited slips send more power to the tires that have traction. There are pros and cons to both. The main pro to an open differential is that it's just more comfortable, whereas limited slip are geared towards sports cars a little bit more. And as we know, Dodge and most people don't really consider RTs sports cars, so that's why limited slips are pretty much reserved for Scat packs and above. So yeah, the RT comes with an open differential, which is why you get those one wheel peels, and which is why it's odd feeling when you slide around corners and such. Which is why that is going to be the next thing that I switch out on this RT. My RT is just a base RT, it's not a road and track. Road and tracks come with 307 gears, I believe, whereas my RT came with 266. Mine is geared for gas mileage a little bit more. I'm probably going to switch to the 309s off the Scat packs and a limited slip. So that should be a good handling upgrade for this car. And it's also going to allow me to not do one wheel peels. I'm obviously not an expert on which gearing is better for the car. I know RT Life wants to go with like 370s, I believe, which are even shorter than the ones I want to go with. The reason I want to go with 309s is because I heard they're a little bit better if you want to go the supercharging route. So there's a little Easter egg if you stayed this long in the video. Whereas some people want to go with 307s limited slip. Some people want to go 390. I mean, there's a ton of different options. They're all suited for different purposes. Depending on the gearing you get, it may mess with your MPG a little bit. Taller gears, which is actually a lower numerical value, like my 262s are actually technically taller than 309s. So taller gears are better for gas mileage, whereas shorter gears are better for 0 to 60. If you're looking to do this and you're looking to do a cam or a supercharger, I seriously recommend talking to an actual certified mechanic to see what they recommend for your setup. Because like I said before, I'm just passing along information to you. So I mean, if you're limited in what you can do to your RT, or you're looking to get a little more oomph out of it, a rear differential like swap is a really good idea, especially if you're in states like California where they're really strict on emissions things. Changing the rear diff won't require you to get like a carb EO number for it and stuff. It'll still pass smog. Looking around online, just by doing the swap, people are losing at least like 0.2 in their quarter mile, which is really not that bad. It doesn't require a tune, but of course getting a transmission tune isn't a bad idea. Anyways, let me know what you guys think below. Seriously, this open differential on my RT is really embarrassing. It kind of sucks when you peel out and you look behind you and there's just one line and your tires wear unevenly. It's just annoying. If you guys enjoyed the video, remember to click that like button below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And once again, thank you guys for 500 subscribers. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.